Does the job for me. Far fewer trips to restroom. Had to get a different supplement as the other had a lot of niacin and it was flushing out the potassium, and getting cramps at night are not fun. Decided to try this after reading an article about how Palmetto helps reduce prostate size in older men and is a normal byproduct of aging and a cause of frequent urge to urinate. I've only taken it a few days but do seem to see a decrease in the urges to urinate often as well as a stronger stream. It seems to be working. I've been using these for several months and my trips to the bathroom have diminished substantially. I was making 2 trips to the bathroom to urinate, but now I'm sleeping all night. They're working for me. It's a pretty big bottle for the money. I don't know if it is doing any good, but it can't hurt. By its nature. Started taking these to reduce trips to the bathroom at night and it seems to be working. I had tried another product before that was not in gel form and it caused unpleasant feeling in stomach and nasty burps. This does not. Click link in description for more reviews. Please let me know the product you are looking for and I will check it for you for free. Make sure you check the description of this video for all supplement review. Please subscribe to my channel today. Thanks.